Annyeong mga palangging! Alright, our video for today is Korean rice cake mukbang. Siya guys.
Me and you, we're two peas in a pod stuck together like glue. Yeah, you and me, with the HIGGINSes on our YouTube stream.
Yeah, guys, we're doing that. And by the way, sorry guys, if yung camera hindi masyadong ano ba tawag doon? Yeah, nakatanga. ano bang tawag doon? My goodness. Anyways guys, yeah, hindi ko ma-set up the way I wanted to because it's the tripod na solid yung yung stand. Hindi siya like this one na pwede mong maganyan, ganyan. So, yeah, limited yung yung option ba? Yeah, basta guys. But anyways, kasi ito sana yung gagamitin ko guys. But then, nung in-insert ko na yung camera, hindi ko alam if yung screw, oh yeah, nabaon pala dito. Oo, dito nga siya nabaon. My goodness, Rhea. Akala ko naputol. Bumaan pala siya guys sa rubber na to. Hindi ko alam yung anong gagawin ko. Ah, I see. Ganun pala. Bumaon pala siya, bumaba. Pero may pala, pwede naman pala maayos. But then anyways, mamaya na lang to guys. Alright, so let's start with the mukbang. Okay guys, so this is the Korean rice cake. Tada! Bread and rice cake. Hindi ko guys mabasa. Dabrio? No, parang Chinese. Korean ba to? Basta hindi siya clear na na Korean letters. So, actually this is from Timmy's school, but then Timmy doesn't like rice cakes. He's not a big fan of rice cakes, especially this kind of rice cakes. I have tried some of these before, like these ones and these ones. Not sure if I have tried this one, but I think there are some here that I like and some here that I won't like. And this one, I haven't tried this before. So yeah, we will be trying all of this, and then if I don't like or if I won't finish this, this will just go to the trash. And I have here hot choco. Actually, hindi na siya hot kasi nilagay ko na siya ng malamig. And then, I will add some milk. This milk. Ito yung milk na ginagamit namin this time. Kasi preferred ni Timmy yung niya, yung packaging niya. Yung meron siyang ganito. Na-mention ko na yun before eh. But yeah. Let's add a little bit. Para medyo creamy siya. Tada! And sorry guys if mukha akong dugyot, charot. Actually, I haven't showered yet. Because I have been cleaning the bedroom. And I'm putting away all the winter and yung mga panlamig namin na clothes, separate ko siya and then binabalik ko yung mga pan-summer because it's almost summer and it's hot already guys. Even nandito lang ako sa bahay, I'm sweating a lot. So yeah, that's why we look like dugyot. But anyways, tama na tayo sa chika-chika and let's continue with our main charot. Main thing. Oh my gosh. Ow. Alright, let's start with the worst one that I know. Worst one talaga. Ang cute naman itong patinidor nila. Oh, parang iba siya. Parang hindi siya yung na-try ko before. Anyways, okay. So, hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan nito guys. So, may yun. But, ganito siya. Okay. Tapos meron siyang parang palaman guys na red bean. Ito. Okay. Ito. Iwan, parang dahon yung yung lasa. And konting-konti lang ng hint ng sweetness. And then yung pagkagat ko guys, hindi ko na-reach ng ano tong palaman. So, let's try again if red bean. Sweet red bean. I think it's fine. Wala namang parang weird na lasa. Let's try this one. They're the same. Although yung labas nito mas plain siya kasi dun sa green. Mas wala siyang lasa na so mas okay kasi yung red bean na na palaman I like. It's sweet. So that's fine. That one I won't be eating. I-try muna natin guys. Baka kasi mabusog ako hindi matapos yung mukbang. I-try ko muna silang lahat. And then kakainin ko siya. If matry ko na lahat, kakainin ko yung mga gusto ko and isi-separate natin yung mga ayaw ko. Yeah. They're all the same. Akala ko talaga yung green something similar na na-try namin before. Na si Tima yung nag-try kasi hindi ko yung sa amoy pa lang hindi ko gusto. Tapos para din siyang bean sa loob pero medyo yellowy siya and that one is really weird. Okay, so this one gusto ko rin siya. Let's try this. Maybe this is just the same. Maybe iba-iba lang yung shape. Wala. Alright, ganito siya guys. Nakaka-try ako ng the same, similar nito before. And it squirted on my face. So, let's be careful with this one. Just in case. Ah! Ah! See? I told you. Be careful daw. Tapos ganun pa rin. My goodness. Oh, that doesn't smell good. Parang sesame. Parang may sesame seed. Ugh, I don't like this one. Let's still try. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung paano kainin to I don't like. Sesame seed ba to? Okay guys, so yung balat, siya, medyo dry siya, medyo matigas. So, yung tawag nun? Ano ba yung tawag nun, guys? Ayoko ng texture niya. And yung sa loob, parang weird. It's weird. I don't feel like I want to try this one again. Parang sesame seed siya na may sugar. Pero, yeah, it's weird. Okay, I think this is the same too. Iba-iba lang yung color ata. Let's try, guys. Sabi ko nga, same, diba? Okay, so the same siya, guys. Okay, so we're not doing this again because we are not here. I am not here to punish myself. Ugh. Okay, let's go to the third row. Row yan, diba? Row? Column? I don't know. Oh my god, this is so hard. But maybe this is our fault. Because we have this like yesterday or the other day. And iniwan sa ref na matagal. So maybe that's why it's hard. Maybe kung fresh to, hindi siya Bakit kasi yung rice cake dito is so weird? Okay. Buo siya. Alright guys, so ayan siya. Parang suman. Pero meron siyang parang sesame seed. Hindi ko alam if ano ba to. Pero parang sesame seed yung shape niya. And then merong almond nuts. Almond talaga. Peanut talaga. Peanut. Matigas na siya, guys. This is unfair. Unfair na i-rate natin ng ganito kasi Parang okay naman siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-weird. But then, yung rice, para bang yung nagsaing tayo tapos hindi naluto ng mabuti yung rice. Parang ganun. Mayroon din siyang raisins, guys. Nakain ko na. Ano? This is okay. But then, hindi ko siya kakainin kasi matigas na siya, guys. My God. Pero ito naman, hindi naman tumigas. Hindi ko alam if ganyan lang ba talaga siya. Solid lang ba talaga siya. Or dahil nga nila iwan sa ref. Oh, this is hard too. Pero ganito siya, guys. Alright. Try natin. This is nice. Ganun din siya, guys. Parang similar lang siya nito. And then, iba lang yung pagkaka-shape. And medyo matigas yung rice cake nito. Pero mas fine yung pagkakadulog ng green bean na palamang. That's fine. So, yeah. Ito yung pinakaayaw ko. Yung nasa pangalawang column. Yung parang sesame yung laman. Ito, mas okay din. Mas okay ito konti. Hindi ko lang talaga gusto kasi ano siya, matigas siya. And parang simpleng-simple. And then this one. Kasi mas maganda naman sana siya, pero matigas lang talaga yung cake niya, guys. Ito, walang panama sa suman. Wala talagang panama sa sa rice cake natin, sa mga bibingka, kasabat cake. Oh, those ones are awesome. Maybe just because mas natin yung yung sariling atin talaga. Siguro sa Koreans, the best din to. Tapos yung atin, parang yeah. I guess ganun. I guess that's really hard. That's fine. Cool. My goodness. Ito yung green, so I don't think so. Kakainin na lang natin, guys, yung sa loob. Matigas kasi. Parang rubbery siya. Pero ang sarap ng sa loob. Alright. So, yan yung mga ayaw. Ayaw din to, of course. Okay, guys. So, yun. Yun na yung review natin, guys. Sasabi ko na, diba? Huwag na natin pa ulit-ulit, guys. So, these two yung the best sa kanila. Yung first one. Yung inakala kong worst. Charot. Siya pa. Ang cute naman itong kuting na to. Dito kanina naka-insert tong itong tinidor. Parang ganyan, no? Ano ba yun? Parang nihahag niya. Charot. And yeah. Pero pasosyal yung guys, pasosyal yung kanilang packaging. Madali tayong mabiktima ng mga ganito. It looks good. Kinain mo na pala. It's not good. Goodness. I'm full. Ooh. Alright, guys. So, that's it. That's me done. Charot. Okay, guys. Sa mga friends ko sa YouTube, especially yung the ones na nandito sa Korea, and if na-try nyo na to, please let me know kung ano sa tingin nyo. Kasi maybe, iba lang yung talaga yung mga taste nating mga tao, no? So, yeah. Let me know what you think about these rice cakes. And, yeah. Maybe this worth trying. But, like, for me, yeah. I didn't like most of it, I think. Yung first column lang talaga, guys, yung nagustuhan ko. But anyways, that's it. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if na-enjoy nyo. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And we hope to see you in the next one.